Hello everyone, I am Randeep Singh and welcome to today's video session. Today we will study the topic uniform motion and non-uniform motion. So first of all, what is a uniform motion? When an object travels equal distance in equal intervals of time, however small the interval may be, the motion of the object is said to be uniform. On the other hand, when an object travels unequal distance in equal intervals of time, however small the interval may be, the motion of the object is said to be non-uniform. Now we will illustrate the concept of uniform and non-uniform motion with an example. Now body is said to be in uniform motion if it travels equal distance in equal intervals of time, as I already told you. And a body is said to be in non-uniform motion if it travels an unequal distance in equal intervals of time, as we already know. Now for example, that car moves from one position to another position about 16 meters away in time 8 seconds. And here the car starts from point O and goes to point A in 2 seconds and covers a distance of 4 meters. And then again car goes from point A to B in 2 seconds and covers equal distance, that is 4 meters. And again from B to C car covers equal distance, that is 4 meters in 2 seconds, and then goes to final position, that is D, and covers a total distance of 16 meters in 8 seconds. That is, car has covered a total distance of 16 meters in 8 seconds and covers equal distance in equal intervals of time. Here the time interval is 2 seconds. 2 seconds is our interval of time, and the distance traveled in that time interval is 4 meters. So car is covering the equal distance in equal intervals of time. That's why it is called uniform motion. Now same example, when a car moves from one position to another position about 16 meters away and the distance covered by the car in 8 seconds. Here the car starts from point O and goes to point A and in 2 seconds and covers a distance of 2 meters. And then from A to B car covers a distance of 6 meters in 2 seconds. And then from B to C car covers a distance of 2 meters in 2 seconds. And then car goes to final position, that is D, and covers a total distance of 16 meters in 8 seconds. But notice that here the car is covering unequal distance in equal intervals of time. For example, in the first 2 seconds car has covered only 2 meter distance, and in the next 2 seconds, that is from position A to B, the car has covered a unequal distance, that is 6 meters. Now our next topic, uniform speed. So what is meant by uniform speed? So when a body travels equal distance in equal intervals of time, the speed of the body is said to be uniform. For example, in the uniform motion, a body covers equal distance in equal intervals of time, and in the uniform motion, the speed of the body is always uniform. And what is meant by non-uniform speed? When the body covers unequal distance in equal intervals of time, in that case, speed of the body is said to be non-uniform. So in that case, in non-uniform motion or in non-uniform speed, we mostly use the term average speed. And what does this mean? Average speed equal to total distance traveled upon total time taken. For example, in going from Muktsar to Chandigarh, if the total distance covered is 200 km and the total time taken is 4 hours, then we can easily calculate the average speed by dividing total distance by total time. That is 200 km upon 4 hours. It comes out to be 50 km per hour. So students, in that way we can calculate the average speed of an object. Alright, so that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.